Hi guys, welcome back to Simply CM. This is a channel where you get useful information about absolutely nothing. So, no, I don't want to do that.
No, you gotta do it that way. You're no.
In the background there we got Simply CM. She's simple, she's CM, she's Simply CM, and she's relaxing. What she do best is relaxing, doing absolutely nothing. I have to say we just arrived to Vailtin, home point one. Yeah, that's a place. The garden out there, you can probably see a little swimming pool. We'll see something about that later, but let's just the garden coming in here, and then there's some stairs and whoopsie doopsie, automatic sliding doors, and you get into the room. 2 big beds. That's nice, then I can get some sleep tonight. And I think maybe there's lacking a little table here, but anyway, there's a ref, TV, most important, there's an aircon remote. Aircon is up there, it's working, it's nice and cold in there. Some things we can buy, I think. This is, I would call it an open cabinet. That's also what you call shelves, I think. The CR is very, very, very big. Toilet. And a very nice sink. Because I got one just like that in the colony. But it's very big CR. A bathroom, we want very tall to the ceiling. I cannot even reach out, it's very tall, it's like. And a very, very, very large shower area with a new Electrolux hot shower. First time I ever seen a rain shower here, actually. I'm very curious if the water pressure will be high enough for that, but we'll see. So that's it. Very nice countertop also, actually. Yeah. All over, it's very nice. And you can, let's see what the prices of this one will be. Yeah. Oh my God. It's okay, Coca-Cola. There's no Coca-Cola. Maybe there's Coca-Cola over here. I have to see. I'll figure it out. There it is. Drinks in there. That's nice. Good thinking. And then, you know, there's towels and there's also a welcome note. Very pro. The bed is not the biggest, but we can put them together and then it will be super big. Nice little lamp over there. What's not nice about this place is I gotta share it with this one. Very lazy woman. Very lazy. Say hi
I'm
to
not
the,
lazy, I'm
say
just
hi to the vlog.
relaxing.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi vlog.
Where are those pillows from, you think?
It looks like Shein. Looks like what they got at home.
Say goodbye to the vlog.
Bye bye.